Welcome, Alex. Thanks for coming and seeing us at Tactile. In the last 20 years, backup's not changed a great deal. What we've seen mainly is people moving away from tape to using more disk technology for storage. Tell us a little bit about Rubrik using backup and also about instant recovery.
Yeah, so the primary world has evolved enormously. Hyper-converged technologies, flash-based storage, backup has stayed way behind. So Rubrik saw an opportunity to revolutionise and disrupt that market with something a little bit different. And obviously the reason people back up is so they can recover.
Yes.
So a key tenet of our message is you should be able to instantly recover. Bring workloads back into production almost instantly when there's a problem. On top of that, we converge all the different technologies into a single appliance. So software, hardware, dedupe, compression, search, catalog management, etc. So that you're not building a big infrastructure to back up. You don't want to build an infrastructure that's bigger than your primary for backup.
Yeah, because that can be an issue, that it gets so complex and also so expensive because the amount of it actually outweighs the benefits.
Exactly. We see an enormous amount of money being spent on backup year after year after year. And again, we're trying to change that to reduce the total cost of ownership of backup to something that's acceptable for the business and delivers good value.
Yeah. I think one of the key things as well is ensuring it actually delivers something to the business.
Of course.
I understand that you use SLAs to manage those backups rather than just doing it on a job and a task base.
Absolutely. So bringing down the method of backing up to something that's appropriate to what the business requires. So if the business requires, I must not lose more than 4 hours of data, and ultimately I want to keep that data for 2 years, create an SLA that meets that business requirement, and then apply that to your workloads. So very, very simple, but defined by the business, who ultimately are the people who need to protect the data.
That's great. Thank you very much.
Thanks, Lee.